Who even am I right now? Oh my gosh. So, y'all know if you've been on my channel, my true naturalistas, it's pretty obvious, you know, I have no hair. So seeing me suddenly with all this hair might be shocking to some of you guys. But before you freak out, it's all for good reason. I was sent this hair by the good folks over at DYHAIR777. They sent me this beautiful unit. It's so soft and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And I'm so happy that I was able to collaborate with them to bring you guys this video. In my opinion, protective styling with wigs is probably the most simple and pain-free way, and also inexpensive way of protective styling out of all of your options, except of course if you're protective styling with your own hair without like extensions or anything like that. Now, many moons ago, before I was a bald-headed scallywag, I had hair halfway down my back, as you can see over here. And I mean, do you see these inches? Yeah, I really grew my hair out pretty long from scratch. And from scratch I just mean like I big chopped and grew it out. It took me about 3.5 years to do so. But anyway, a lot of the length I was able to retain during that growth journey was due to protective styling, and wigs became my go-to choice for protective styling. Why? Because it's like super easy and pain-free, and it's also a lot more cost-effective than a lot of other protective styles. And I mean, like, obviously if you're not using your own hair to protective style, but if you're doing things like box braids or crochet braids or twists or faux locks, like, you're gonna, over time, you're gonna have to pay for those things over and over and over. Whereas with a wig, you buy it once and you can use that one wig over and over and over, as opposed to buying a new wig each and every single time. So it's cost effective, it's easy. Things like braids and twists and faux locks, you guys know, you can spend hours, I mean hours, putting them in or paying somebody else to put them in for you. A wig, you're like 5 seconds, put it on and you're done. It's less expensive and less time consuming than a lot of other protective styles, and that's another reason why I absolutely love wigs. Like, they are the GOAT. So some of you guys might be new to the natural hair game and you might not know what a protective style is. All a protective style is basically a low manipulation style, and that means that you are not brushing, combing, playing in, twisting, retwisting, putting a whole bunch of products in your hair for at least a week. I feel like if your protective style doesn't last a week, then it's not a protective style. That's just my personal opinion. Something like a wig, obviously you could take it off every night, but once again, the hair underneath, you're not playing with it every day, brushing it, combing it. At the very most, you're just going in to moisturize it every day or every other day, or just as you see fit. Protective styles require minimal daily upkeep, and that will help with hair growth and just the promotion of overall hair health, because you're not doing things that are going to break your hair or exposing your hair to little things like tears and snags that, you know, easily come up during the day, whether it be like getting snagged on your shirt or on a pillow or just like wherever. Now, any low manipulation style that you do should not be putting tension on your roots. It should not be pulling and yanking at your hair or doing anything that overall could result in damage. Protective styles should be just that. They should be protecting your hair at all costs, keeping them away from breakage and keeping them moisturized. So as many of you guys know, I am currently on a growth journey right now, and I will be incorporating wigs in my growth journey just because I have in the past and I loved it, and I'm definitely going to do it again. But you know, I'm actually really curious to know what types of protective styles you guys love. Do you love wigs, or do you swear by box braids or twists? Like, what's your thing? Like, what's your favorite protective style? Leave a comment below in the comment section. And once you're done watching this, make sure you watch my next video. I'll be showing you a bunch of ways to style a 360 pre-plucked lace front wig, which is what I have on right now, and it'll just be a fun, cute video. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.